it's Claire Wyatt here. I'm a voiceover artist and I use Reaper for editing. Now, I was just editing some e-learning work and a little click came up in a word, and I thought, oh, rather than re-recording that line, I'll show you how to get rid of it using Reaper. So here it is. I've just taken it into... Here we go. If you listen, you might be able to hear it. And some trade associations have developed PCRs for their members. And some trade associations have developed PCRs for their members. Hear it? It's just here. And some trade oh, geez, in the sum. I somehow did a little click on the old lips there. And actually, if you expand it, ooh, where is it? You can see it. There it is. Ugly little thing. Now, the way I'm doing that is I'm just using my roller on my mouse to expand the waveform. Now what you want to do is you want to get rid of that. Now I have a nifty little trick set up. I've got, normally if you do a cut in Reaper, it will cut wherever you put your mouse, wherever you want it, particularly if you've switched off all the presets that it comes with. I've got a better one set up, which is when I press Alt Z. Do you see where it does the cut? It cuts at a 0 crossing point, and that's that white line. That's the 0 crossing point. That's what you want to do. You don't want to cut anywhere else, because what you want to do, if you want to get rid of this thing entirely, is you want another 0 crossing point. Now, if I were to cut there, which you'd think is the next 0 crossing point to eliminate the ugly sound that we don't like. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. There we go. If we get rid of those, this is going to sound horrible. And some trade associations, yikes, nobody likes that. Now that's because I didn't honour the wave. You see it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. I just boshed it there. You want to follow that curve. So actually there, close to there, Alt Z, is the best you're going to get. So now let's listen to that. You see how that stitches together nicely? Now let's listen to it. Trade associations have developed PCRs for their members. Press it in the right place. And some trade associations... Whoa, that's good, isn't it? And some trade associations have developed PCRs for their members. Done. Now, that took me way longer than normal because I was showing you how to do it. But that, I find, is a really quick way of getting rid of tiny little clicks when you don't want to have to record the whole thing again. Hope that was useful. Get in touch if you want to, if you've got anything else you'd like to know. I'm going to try and do more of these as and when they come up. And I will speak to you all soon.